2019 Ford Transit Connect L2 with 126,000 miles. This has had one company owner and will come with a major service and full wet belt kit with water pump upon sale. Bodywork, as you can see, nice and clean, no big dents or marks. Into the interior, pretty clean, no rips, no tears. The load area is nice and clean also. Been a well looked after van. Comes with a Rhino roof rack also. Into the front is the two-seater model. So seats nice and clean. 126 on the clock. This will come with our standard 3-month warranty or 3,000 miles. It can also be delivered to you nationwide. If you have any inquiries, drop us a call or a message. We'll be happy to answer.